Rub it in your hand. Okay.
Okay.
Some more. Yeah. Rub it up.
Rub it up.
Okay.
And now sniff it.
Yeah, it's called Vicks.
What are you giving these people? What is it? Okay. An Indian secret. Oh, okay.
We are gearing up for, what do you call it? Lightning talk? We'll have some lightning bolts.
Cool, what are we talking about?
We're talking about LocalStack and serverless and how we make it easy for you to test your applications locally.
Please, hands together, warm welcome for your speakers, Waldemar and Shridhar Pandi.
So maybe just a quick show of hands before we dive into the agenda. Can we just get a quick show of hands? Who has heard about LocalStack before? Maybe even used it? Okay, so there's about half the people here in the room, so that's great.
So the AWS Toolkit for VS Code now integrates directly with LocalStack. We launched this integration back in September. This creates a unified development experience. The integration enables local testing of Lambda functions with full AWS service integrations. It provides consistent behavior between cloud and local environments, and it eliminates the manual configuration of various service integrations and service connections.
Thanks so much, Shridhar. I just wanted to emphasize we couldn't be more excited to stand up here on the booth or at the stand as LocalStack together with the AWS Lambda team PM. So it's a really exciting integration for us all here to talk about this.
How are we doing so far, Jackie?
We need more money.
Standing is worse than walking.
Yes, I need to start specific stretching because my hips are hurting. Like for real, I haven't had that.
Are you 80
ever.
years old?
I feel like it, honestly.
We've been wandering through these halls for 6 days and trying to get to Palazzo, and we can't get there, so
You're running in circles. We came from where you want.
there's only one conclusion, which is we now need to gamble until we're bankrupt. That's all. That's the only option.
Table free here.